Welcome to Eileen Who Got Yoga, and today is day 25. Meditation to honor your feelings. Today, I'm gonna honor your feelings, and I think it's very important that right now, as a human being, is that we learn to honor feeling. I don't know if you're familiar with Brené Brown. If you're not familiar with her, try to Google her. And she has this TED Talk about vulnerability and about why vulnerability is actually power. It empowers you. And sometimes it's not our fault when we've learned to set aside our feelings and brush it away, because it's just that's how we are raised sometimes. But now that you're probably more aware of your feelings or how you feel, or you had some resources, advantage of having the internet now is that we have so many available resources out there that we can use to empower ourselves. And it's never too late to learn something new. And that's what I've been doing for the past few months, is that I've been learning and studying and putting it into practice. It's, of course, that's one thing that you should do. If you learn something, you need to put it into practice, and that would really empower you. So for today, I want to share to you this meditation of honoring your feelings. And don't be scared to honor your feelings. It's okay. It's okay if you cry. And that's one thing. As parents, for parents, I'm not a parent, okay. For those who are parents out there, that's one thing that we should be able to talk to your children about, is that why are they crying? Instead of just asking them to stop crying, when in fact you don't even know why they are crying. And that's one way for you to practice mindfulness with your children on honoring their feelings. They need to also know why are they crying. And you as a parent could guide them into it. And that's a good way for us to start practicing mindfulness into this generation and to the next generation. And I think now, this few months, it's also a time for us to heal. So let's come to a seated pose. Any seated pose that makes you feel comfortable. And honoring how you feel. It's important for you to breathe through it first. Try to feel the breath first. Feel the body. And if you are starting to feel emotions to rise, allow them to happen. And just start to, if it's possible, for you to dissect the feelings. What are you actually feeling? Is it joy? Is it fear? Is it the feeling of getting overwhelmed? Is it the feeling of being anxious? Is it the feeling of excitement? Sometimes we need to Step away, like you're observing your thoughts and your emotions like a third person. And you can also start to visualize what this emotion looks like to you. You can see it as a color, as an object, or as a person. And if emotions start to arise, hold on to it. Say to it, I see you. I see you. Just breathe. And then just create the space for this emotion. And feel how your body reacts when you create space to this emotion. Deep breath here, inhale. Exhale everything out. Inhale. Exhale everything out. One more. Inhale. Exhale everything out. Take as much time as you need to feel that emotion, to honor it, to say that you see that emotion. And to send love and kindness, compassion to yourself and to that emotion. Breathe through it. Allow it to pass through you. take a moment here to practice gratitude for yourself, for allowing for you to feel, to create space for your emotions. Give yourself gratitude that you are brave enough to take this step to honor your feelings. In this last, and before we end the practice, let's just say these words. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Taking 3 deep breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Namaste. Okay, sorry about that. I'm not gonna make this ending too long. It was also emotional for me. And yeah. Thank you. Yes, that's all I can say. This is a big step for me to open up as well. I've been going through a lot for the past few weeks, and I'm just taking this space to feel better, and I hope that I was able to create that space for you as well. And it's okay to cry, guys. It's okay. It's okay to feel. Honor whatever you're feeling today, because today this is how you feel. Later you might be happy, and whatever emotions that rise up, be mindful to honor what you are at the present. That's okay. I'll see you around, guys. I'll honor my feelings now if you don't mind. And I'll see you again soon. Thank you guys for spending time with me. Have a great day.
Thank you for practicing yoga with me. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out more yoga videos and follow me in my Facebook and Instagram.